Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, guys. This is the first car meet of 2022. We are here at Ocean Beach, beyond city limits. Everyone is coming in. It's a great time. Always love this meet, and it's bringing back some memories because actually 2021 I went to this as my first car meet, and it's popping today, so let's go check it out. So you got the C8 Niners fan. Let's go Niners. Check out the Lotus Elise. You got two Mark IV Toyota Supras. This one on TE37s. This one's still on OEM wheels. You can see the 2JZ. Yeah, McLaren 600 LT Spider. This guy always comes to the meets. Very nice. Putting the doors up. Look at this Vars wide body Subaru STI. That is really nice. And look at that, he got the star tail lights too. There you go.
Oh, that's a nice truck.
And look at that, R33 GTR. And Miata. Oh, look at that. Z32. ZX. There's another one over there too. Nice. Wow, look at that. Classic Porsche Speedster. Got a murdered out 600 LT. This thing looks mean. That looks really nice. And over here we got a Gallardo Superleggera. A first gen Superleggera to be specific. Right here we got Jerry in the NSX. That sounds good. S2K Suki. He's always at these Beyond City Limits meets. Got an S13 240 SX and Toyota Altiza. That's really nice. Damn, this guy lost some of his splitter. That's gotta suck. Now here's what I was looking for. The two black Z32 300ZXs. Wow. Absolutely love the 300ZX. This one has TE37s on them. Yeah, these are both really clean. Dang, look at the Subaru. Look at the pipes. They're all purple. This thing's probably making some serious power. And oh, look, there you go. We got a Supra over there. Actually, two Mark IV Supras. And you got Cadillac, and wow, these, you don't see these all the time. Buick Grand National. Two Toyota Supra Mark IVs right there. And Civic Type R. You got multiple Corvettes lined up. Yeah, those two are clean. C6 Z06. I don't think I've ever seen a car like this before. This is an LS swap Mazda RX. That's actually really nice. We got that's the VF supercharged Vorsteiner Huracan. If you remember, back in August, this guy was ripping it down the straight. This guy is an absolute menace. There's a supercharger there, and rotary swapped Miata. That's really nice. Mark IV Toyota Supra. Got another one right here. There you go. The bags. The 2JZ. That's a work of art right there. And look at the Supra. This fitment. Jeez. It's a slam to the ground. Hey, look, we got Jeremy. Alpha 4C. Jeremy!
Hey, what's up?
What's up? Alpha 4C. Yep, got the Drona. Wow, there's still a line to get in. That's insane. There's even a line starting over here. Hey, we got official Mando. A86. The Pandem Scion FRS and another R32 GTR on work wheels. Oh my gosh, 512 BB. Look at that, it has 6 exhaust pipes. No way. Another R33 GTR. 991.2 GT3. Actually, we got 2 of them. Both in matching specs. Looks like we're overflowing, so people are gonna have to move. Look at this line of cars. Holy. That's a nice stock S14 right there. And a launch edition Toyota Supra. But, oh man. Yeah. Let me try to get my camera as high as I can. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're extending all the way over there. I've never seen anything like that. A Prelude pickup. That's impressive. Wow. Porsche 356 and a Porsche 930 Turbo. Gotta love the old Porsches. Look at this R32 GTR. On, is that R34 wheels? It's actually really nice. And oh my gosh, look at this. So you got a Corvette engine in it. This is literally a freaking race car. Wow. 997 GT3 and then a 991.2 GT3 RS. Love the green color. And oh, look at here. We got the new Porsche 911 GT3. I've been waiting to see one of these for a while. Okay, if you can see this, it's actually a manual transmission. And at first, these were actually illegal in California, but I guess he got his hands on a manual GT3, so that's nice. He got GTR. FCRX7 and oh my gosh, Lambo Vet. I guess we're gonna wait for someone to start a show since there's too many people here. There's so many cars and so many people, it's hard to even get footage. But we got AMG GTR, still got one more spot left. What do you guys think in the comment section below? What car is gonna be here later on in the video? I just got word there was over 500 cars here, so this is the biggest turnout they've ever had. All lined up on the street. Starting off 2022 good. I guess we're just gonna watch all the cars leave and see what type of stuff goes on. And oh my gosh, it's a Fast and Furious Evo. That's actually really nice. 600 LT. GTR Pro. We got a lineup coming in. Agent Chris 458 GT3. What's up, Chris? What's up? 720S. Got a Ferrari 458. And we got Agent Chris 458 GT3. Dang. No matter how many times I see this Oh, there's an Aventador. There we go. Aventador SV. Aventador SV. Gallardo. All the exotic cars parked right here. They just shut down the show. Got a Rift body kit 720S. Yeah, that's really sick. And then back to what I was saying, no matter how many times I see this car, it always impresses me. This is literally my dream car. 458 with the GT3 wide body kit. This is my favorite part about the 458 GT3. This aggressive front end. Yeah. You can take a picture of that. Got the 5-liter Superleggera leave-in. There you go. Swing out the back end.
Is that Jason Kidd?
guy's a menace. Holy. That guy's a menace. That guy's a menace. Oh, he's doing it. Pickup truck. I caught that, I just spit a flame. Oh, here he is, here he is, here he is. I think I'm gonna end it here. It's just way too crazy. We're gonna go head out to Treasure Island for another car meet that's going on there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, he did a burnout. We're at Treasure Island. Chaos, and we got all the smoke.